Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, ZArchiver plus the Auto Execute Delta plugin, and permissions granted to storage. Once done, open the plugin panel and point it at the source archive. This is how you link the two. Make sure to set the destination folder now, because early selection prevents path mistakes later. You want clear file name patterns so the automation matches correctly, otherwise you will manually intervene. Now proceed to configure triggers, the actual automation entry point. Once the destination and source are set, you configure execution rules to control how Delta runs. Choose a trigger, on new file at schedule or manual, because each changes when the plugin activates. Then define filters. Use extensions, name patterns, or size thresholds so only intended archives process. Make sure extraction options match your goal. For example, overwrite versus skip, and preserve timestamps if syncing matters. After that, test with a small archive to confirm behavior. Now finalize by running a dry test. You want to verify extracted files, timestamps, and the plugin log so you can confirm success. If it works, enable notifications and automatic retries to handle transient failures. Make sure scheduled tasks are active and device sleep settings won't kill the process. If something goes wrong, check permissions first, then look for path typos, file name mismatch, or outdated plugin versions. Resolving those fixes most issues. Finally, rerun the test until results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.